Hi, Mackenzie. I want to start off by apologizing for how dark it is, and if there's any passing cars throughout this. We just moved recently, and we don't have Wi-Fi at our place, so I'm at my neighbor's house using the Wi-Fi on their porch. Um, anyways, I thought you did a great job despite feeling like you struggle with public speaking. I know that feeling very well. I'm also got a bit of social anxiety going on. I think you held your calm tone of voice, and it was very easy to follow throughout your video. I would also agree that maintaining that conversational tone is really a key to engaging your audience and keeping them listening and whatnot. I also liked how you explained the background of social psychology before you got into answering the questions for the discussion post. I think it gave a great base to build off of. Hang on, there's some passing cars. I think this discussion and having the background in social psychology really does help with public speaking for myself and when I watch others, and keeping that judgment at bay because others struggle as well. Thank you. Have a great night.